How's everybody doing today? My name is Dan, as she said. I mechanical engineering undergrad and grad student and PhD dropout here at MIT. And so what are we working on? We're working on this idea of logistics in the warehouse and specifically related to employee turnover. I visited a customer last week that we were piloting, and this customer informed me that in the peak summer, when it's hot in their warehouse, these shipping containers, they have to unload, go to 130 degrees, and they rely on temp workers to get the work done. And the average amount of time that a temp worker lasts is 3 days, where they have to have a new one. And they've had people come in, work for 2 hours, go on break, and then not come back. This is a prototype from our office in Cambridge, but this is what we just got back from piloting the next version of this at a customer site in California. So we've got an array of cameras and sensors and doing some amount of machine learning, deep neural network stuff, not that dissimilar to what self-driving cars are doing. Combination of RGB data, point cloud data, making sense of the scene, and then the robot is carrying out actions to unload these boxes from the back of this, in this case, mock truck, but in the case of the California site visit we just did, was a real shipping containers full of products. This is a $50 billion a year market and growing 20% per year. And basically everyone has this labor shortage issue. So we did release a smaller product about 15 months ago. We have a small handful of those running around the country right now, sorting thousands of packages every day. This is a customer in the Virginia area that has one of those. It's a small fulfillment logistics company, and we just got back from this production pilot of the large unloading robot that I showed you a little prototype video of earlier, and that was in suburban Los Angeles area. We've had over 1 million production picks so far and no customer churn, which has been great. So what are we looking for here? We're looking to connect with people who have these issues of worker burnout and staffing issues. And you've got the loading dock is this place where containers are coming and going and trucks are coming and going, and that is where we're focused on adding our automation technology. So those are the people we're looking to connect with. Thank you.